Ready to train your brain the fun way? Let's make Arabic easy, one conversation at a time. Try to repeat with us. It really works. Hello, how are you? مرحبا، كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله، أنا بخير. كيف حالك؟ Thanks to God, I am fine. How about you? I am fine, thank you. فرصة سعيدة. استمتعي بوقتك. Nice to meet you. Enjoy your time. Thanks again. شكرا لك. Let's start with something truly special. The olive, the heart of the Arabic culture. لنبدأ بشيء مميز حقا. الزيتون، قلب الثقافة العربية. Okay, olive is زيتون. زيتون. In Arabic, tree is شجرة, and the olive tree is one of the most famous trees in Arab countries. Tree is شجرة. شجرة. Olive tree is شجرة الزيتون. شجرة الزيتون. Bell pepper is فلفل. فلفل. Try it. Okay. فلفل. فلفل. Now let's talk about cherries. A sweet and delicious fruit. It's karas in Arabic. Karas. Try it. Karas. Karas. Cherries is karas. Look, Bulbul, a mango tree. I love mangoes. Mango in Arabic is manga. Manga. Try it. Manga. It's easy. Manga. Mango is manga. What's this purple vegetable? It's eggplant. In Arabic, it's badinjan. Badinjan. Eggplant is badinjan. Badinjan. Wow, Bulbul, so much green. What's this? This is lettuce. In Arabic, it's khas. Khas. Lettuce is khas. Khas. Wow, pineapple. What's pineapple in Arabic? In Arabic, pineapple is ananas. 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 Pineapple is ananas. What's this brown fruit? This is kiwi. The kiwi is small, brown on the outside and green on the inside. It has the same pronunciation in English and Arabic. It's kiwi. 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 Bulbul, look at this big yellow vegetable. What is it? This is yellow pumpkin. قرع أصفر. قرع. Pumpkin. Yellow. أصفر. Yellow pumpkin. قرع أصفر. قرع أصفر. قرع أصفر. Yellow pumpkin. What is this fruit? It looks soft and sweet. This is fig. Fig is very delicious. We eat it fresh or dried. In Arabic, it is tin. Tin. Fig is tin. Fig is tin. You look tired. Let's take a break and continue tomorrow. If you want to explore more Arabic and learn fruit and veggie names, subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments which fruits or veggie you want to learn in Arabic.